Okay, children, in the last class we have seen about the lattice multiplication method, exercise number 2.1. So we will continue the next one, the standard method, exercise 2.1, page number, that is 12, page number is 12. So in this multiplication, ordinary multiply the following numbers by using the standard. They will ask you whether you have to multiply by the lattice method or you are going to multiply by the standard method. Now, multiply the following. They will ask the question like this. Multiply the following by standard method. Multiply the following by the standard method they will ask you to do. So standard method means usually we will multiply the numbers, no? Like that we have to multiply. So the first one they will give the 72 into 29. This is the number they are given. So this is the standard method. How to do this in standard method? So you put 72 into 29. So first you can multiply with the 9 tables. So 9 twos are, you know the 9 twos are how much? That is 18. So you put 18. Once what's the number here? You put 8 and just one carry over at the top. Then 9 into 7. 9 sevens are, 9 fives are 45. 9 six are 54, 9 sevens are 63. You add this one carry over. 63 plus 1, 64. Because there is no number in hundreds digit, so straight away you can put the answer. Next we are going to multiply by 2. This 2 is in tens digit. So whenever you are writing the answer, we have to start the answer with the tens. So that is equal to 2 2s are 4. You should not put the ones digit. Then this carryover is the previous number carryover. So don't multiply this. 2 into 7. So 2 into 7, that gives you 14. You put a 4 here and 1 at the next digit. Then you have to add all these numbers. So 8 is 8 and 4 plus 4 is 8. 6 plus 4, that gives you 10. Carry over 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. So this is the answer is 2088. So this is the answer. Now I put the fourth sum. I won't do all the sum. I'll give the sum of the sum as a homework. So fourth sum I will do 124 into 6. That is 124 into 6. So single number he has given. Here it is the 3-digit number. So 6 fours are 24. So for this 24, you put 1s here and 2 carry over on the next digit. Then 6 twos are 12. 12 plus 2, the carry over immediate add pannunga. 12 plus 2, that gives you 14. So for this 14, you put the 4 here and 1 carry over on the next. 6 ones are 6 plus 1, 7. And then 6 fours are 24. So 24 ku 4 put 2 carry over. Next digit carry over. 6 twos are 12. See the carry over is there 2. So 12 plus 2, 14. So you put 4 and 1 carry over. 6 ones are 6 plus 1, 7. Now add all this and this is the 8184. So answer is 8184. Okay children. Now we'll move on to the next one. So shall I give the homework? Will you do it by yourself, children? This is the homework for you. And this is 206 into 8. Then 479 into 3. Then 93 into 42. This is the homework you have to do. Now we are going to do the next one, the problems. Here they given the problems. Sum number 3. Same exercise only. Page number 13. Page number 13. So here they are given one box contains 25 apples. How many apples are there in 35 boxes? So they are given the question like this. One box contains how many apples? 25 apples. So this is the question. How many apples are there? How many apples are there in 36 boxes? 36 such boxes. Okay. So one box the 25 apples irukana. 36 boxes how many apples? So you have to write the statement. Otherwise you can write the solution. Write like this and write number of apples. One box. So one box na first one box there. So number of apples in one box. Apples in one box. How many apples is there? 25. Then how many apples are there in 36 such boxes? So அந்த மாதிரி 36 boxes na how many? So number of apples in one box la 25 na 36 boxes la how many apples? 36 எழுதும்போது நிறைய வரதால you have to write boxes. So you can write 25 into 36. In your rough column in the maths book, you can multiply and see 25 into 36. So you can multiply 6 5s are 30, carry over 3. Then 6 2s are 12 plus 3 15. Otherwise you can write 6 5s are 30. Then 6 2s are 12. Okay, yeah. So this is over in the number. So now the next one is 3 into 5. 3 5s are. Next 3 2s are. So first is ones digit multiply பண்ணி answer எழுதுங்க. Onesல இருக்குது and then tensல இருக்குது. So இந்த carry over is strike off because tensல multiply பண்ணும்போது 3 5s are 15. So tensல பண்ணும்போது tensல start பண்ணுங்க. So put the carry over 1. இது strike off பண்ணுங்க. Then 3 2s are 6 plus 1 7. So answer is 0 10 8 plus 1 9. So answer that is equal to 900 apples. This is the answer. Okay, so you have to write the answer and statement like this. You can multiply and see it in the rough column, children. Can you understand? I will do the one more sum and remaining sums I'll give it as a homework. So get the books, children. So second problem, there are 28 pages. There are 28 pages in a daily newspaper. Okay, 28 pages in the daily newspaper. If Ajay buys newspapers for 45 days, how many pages will it contain? How many pages will it contain? Okay, so there are 28 pages in a daily newspaper. ஒரு பேப்பரில் 28 pages இருக்குது. If Ajay buys, daily Ajay is buying the newspaper for how many days? 45 days. So we have to write the statement like this. How many pages in it? So find out how many pages. So you can write number of pages in a daily newspaper. Okay, one paper da. So number of pages in a newspaper, daily newspaper. So statement update question le irukku parunga. So you can write how many pages is there? 28 pages. Okay. Then Ajay buys a newspaper for 45 days. Number of days newspaper. Number of days newspaper bought. எவ்வளோ நாளைக்கு வாங்குறாங்க? Number of days newspaper bought. How many? 45 days. So you can write 28 into 45. So rough column la 28 into 45. So in rough column you can put 28 into 45, you multiply and see. 5 8s are 40, carry over 4. 5 into 8, 40. Then 5 into 2, that is equal to 10. So 40 ki 0 put carry over 4. 5 2s are 10 or 4 add panna, that gives you 14. Then again 4 into 8, then 4 into 2. 4 8s are 32 and this is 4 2s are 8. So you have to start tens la pannadala, tens digit la பண்ணும்போது strike off this carry over after writing the answer, because we have to put the tens digit answer. So 4 8s are 32, you put tens digit ku நேரா 2 போடுங்க, ones ல இருந்து ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணாதீங்க. Then carry over at the next digit. 4 2s are 8, 8 to 3 add பண்ணா, that gives you the 11. So that is equal to, the answer is 1220. Okay, 1220 pages. Okay children, can you understand? So like that, the third and the fourth sum, can you do it by yourself? The statement you can write like this. So I'll write the question. So that is the homework for you. Homework, exercise number 2.1. Sum number 2. A truck carries 125 bags of rice. If each bag has, page number 13, each bag has 9 kg of rice. 9 kg of rice. How much kg of rice will be there? How much kg of rice will there be in the truck? Okay. This is the sum. And third one, this also, if the cost of one chair, if the cost of one apple number பார்த்தீங்களா, like that the statement you have to write, rupees 857. What will be the cost of 6 chairs? Okay, so these two are the exercises, will be the cost of 6 chairs. So do the sums and see children. Okay, so this is the homework for you. Six chairs. Then now exercise number 2.2. In this we are going to see about the tables. In the previous classes we have learned the 2 tables. Now we are going to see about the 6 tables. Exercise number 2.2. Page number 14. Okay. So page number is 14. Exercise number 2.2. Now here they are given 6 tables. You know the 6 tables. So, you can learn the 6 tables also. So learn 6 tables. 6 ones are 6. 6 twos are 12. 6 threes are 18. So like this, you can write 6 fours are 24. 6 fives are 30. 6 six are 36. 7s are 42. 48. 6 nines are 54. 6 tens are 60. We can write till 12, but in your book they are given only 10. So you can learn about the 12, that will be 6 12s are 72. So this is the tables you have to learn, and for this they are given the sums like this. Exercise 2.2, page number is 14. They are given the first sum. 4 into 6 is equal to dash, and 7 into 6, 7 into 6, then third sum 8 into 6. So you can see the tables. 4 6 are 6 4s are 4 6 are 24. 7 6 are, so that is you can write 6 7s are 42. 8 6 are 6 8s are, so you can say the 48 tables like that. Okay, and then here they are given the fourth sum. In your shirt there are 6 buttons. In your shirt there are 6 buttons. How many buttons are there? There are 6 buttons. How many buttons will there be in each shirt? How many buttons? How many buttons will there in 8 shirts? Okay, so on a shirt means one shirt, a shirt. So you can write the statement. Solution is number of buttons in one shirt. One shirt, a shirt na one shirt, that is equal to 6. How many shirts are there? 8 shirts. So number of buttons in 8 shirts. So you can easily write the tables, that is equal to 8 into 6, that is equal to 42 buttons. Okay, so like this you can write, children. Learn the 6 tables. And one more problem. So what all I have given, you just go through this. Oh, in a cartoon, this is the fifth one, last one. In a cartoon, there are 9 rows with 6 eggs. 9 rows with 6 eggs in each row. In each row. How many eggs are there in all? How many eggs are there in all? So there is cartoon. In a cartoon means a box, there are 9 rows with 6 eggs in each row. So number of eggs in a cartoon. Number of eggs in one rows, that is equal to 6. Number of eggs in 9 rows, that is equal to 6 into 9. X 9s are 54. So totally how many eggs are there in all? 54 eggs. So you can write the statement easily like this, children. So you have to learn the tables also, 6 tables. 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18, 6 4s are 24, 6 5s are 30, 6 6s are 36, 6 7s are 42, 6 8s are 48, 6 9s are 54, 6 10s are 60, 6 11s are 66, 6 12s are 72. So in this tables are regarding only, they are going to give the problems also. So problems I gave the sum as well as the solution, and 2 sums I gave it as a homework. So do this homework, children, and learn the tables also. We'll see in the next class.